Alrighty, so we're going to be hosting a casual competition of rating your setups. This could be your PC, your laptop, or your Raspberry Pi, or anything really.
So, you may think this sounds like Linus's video, where 2 weeks ago he decided for him and his friend to roast people's worst setups. But we're adding a trick. We are gonna award the worst setup a shout out at the end of the video. And so the trick is, guys, stage it. We don't care. It's just gonna make it all the more fun, engaging, and funny for you guys. So feel free to submit any picture, and it's completely free, and we'll see you then.